Let's start with the first on the list, shall we? And I believe we're taking a look at what's happening out there on the ASX.
Hi, how you going? Yes, the ASX is an interesting one at the moment. We've certainly got a lot going on, and I think that it's found itself at a zone now where there's pretty strong resistance, pretty much right in front of it. So when we go over to the chart, we can see the current levels, and here we go. Yeah. So that green line is representing the support line that we're talking about at the moment. It's broken through. It was resistance there previously, but now it's doing its best to actually get above it. So yeah, very interesting move to. You can see all those wicks. Those last three candles have got pretty strong wicks. So it's certainly fighting hard to stay above this level. But we can see that the rectangle that we've got above, the cream rectangle, that's a pretty strong area of resistance for this one actually. So yeah, even if it does move up, I'd expect that we're going to probably find some resistance up at that rectangle. And yeah, we're going to have some pretty reasonable, I guess, movement up till then. But if it does sell off before the end of April, which hopefully is not going to happen, earnings season's coming up. Yeah, with a little bit of luck, it'll actually hold up until then, so we can start to see the earnings kick in.
Okay, so that chart is telling us that upper green band, that it's holding above that upper resistance primarily. And again, walk us through. So we've seen a couple of down days, one being more significant than the others as of late. So today, it's another positive session so far, at least. So this is a positive chart, all in all.
Look, all in all, it's positive enough that you would say we've found the support. I mean, we have had obviously a bit of a sell-off these last few days this week, but I think it's found the support around this level. So from that standpoint, you can say it's positive, and we are a little bit green. But I think that, we just have to be very mindful, though, that we're going into a very interesting time of the year for the ASX 200. Obviously, we're only a couple of weeks away from earnings, and that's going to have a significant impact, of course, of where we're going to be in 4 or 5 weeks' time. So I think it's just a case of hoping the support holds up, and we should see a little bit of a run into the earnings season, into that rectangle up the top.